am Sir Bert Wimby Bali of Gulgol Elementary School, 11 years old. I joined The Voice Idol because I want to be a star someday.
Sir Bert, this is not the first time nga mangikot ang boses mo, Barok. And I'm so glad nga adu iti nag-improve na nipot iti first nga si Malika iti The Voice Idol. And sana you have to continue developing your voice. Sir Bert, you are in for The Voice Idol.